I work for ADM Investor Services, we have about 6 different clearing entities around the world. We are all wholly owned subs of Archer Daniels Midland Company. We're a very large grain processor. Maybe some of you guys are from the country. And what that means is that working for a large company, there's a series of controls that we're engaged with. We gauge our business on a series of metrics. I call them business drivers because they define our business. And around those metrics, we run the business. It isn't Billy Bean baseball, but we take statistics and volume numbers it helps us make business decisions. So if you're good at statistics, if you're good at interpreting statistics, if you're a good accountant, or if you can communicate numbers and graphs and charts, it helps a great deal explain this business. The 10 business drivers, and some of these business drivers we can control and some we don't. Market fundamentals and research is one. Volume and price volatility, assets under management, interest rates, operational efficiencies and cost, risk management, my favorite, return on invested capital, technology, electronic order entry, regulatory challenge and change, competition, and marketing efforts. We characterize, and I characterize all of these based on subjective judgments of myself and my management team and a series of statistical historic data that we keep. And it is how we make business decisions each day. I have people in all departments that take care of risk. I said my favorite. I get up every day at 4 a.m. and look at customer positions. Why? Because I've always gotten up that early. And it's the lifeblood of the business. It's how I relate to customers. It's how I know customers. I am not an options expert. I look at option strategies on a daily basis. I have a whole risk department that does this, but I keep them honest by them knowing that I'm looking at risk. Patience and diligence in this business and understanding how to price your product is critically important. We price products all the time. I'm a cost accountant by trade. Technology has changed our industry in multiples. A customer of ours, a very large customer of ours, sent me a book. And it's The Optimistical Pessimistic Businessman. And it was about technology and how technology literally can save the U.S., it can help us with deficits. And you see it in various other businesses, fracking industry, and you can argue about the water rights and everything, but it has changed the energy supply in this country. It's quite interesting. When I got to ADM 23 years ago, we had 1 computer in the entire company. Now we have 400 employees over the world, and everybody has their own computer. Technology has changed everything. We talked about the floors earlier. I really liked Bill's comments about the floors because I think they're going away. From a business standpoint, I would like them to go away. It is a negative cost leader to us, right, Yvonne? But we like customers, we like brokers to have a choice. And they will have a choice until the floor's lights go off. We're dealing with that operational inefficiency as a company. We're dealing with reducing our floor presence. We're educating our customers on the value of order entry, that you can do option spreads on the terminal. But over a period of time, technology will eliminate the floor. 160-year history, I think. From a business standpoint, I'm ready to go. It'll help our bottom line. But we have to be patient. We're in a customer relationship business. Customers feel better. Brokers feel better. You probably feel better if you have a choice. You, as young professionals, what I look for is problem solvers. at any level, if you can solve problems and you can communicate to them, you are a valued resource at an FCM. Return on invested capital. That's my biggest challenge. That's what I explain to my parent on a monthly basis. They have metrics, they have a desired return. It's a challenge at times meeting that. The key part of it, though, is patience and diligence. The moral of the story is this is a customer relationship business. Build relationships. Build people that you can admire with. Pick out people that you can observe that have presence and have cachet and are humble. Anyway, John, that's it. Thank you for all your help. And good luck with your career.